Witness the king of mines MAXPOWER Me800. This 80-ton Titan redefines mining excellence. We offer two options for the engine. Cummins QSM 15 563 kilowatts meets China Stage 3 standards. Isuzu 6W1 conquers 15 cold starts and 4,000 meters altitudes. Eco-innovation, Me800 delivers. Cummins models feature dual-pump smart cooling, with independent water-oil control plus self-cleaning fans. Models with optional Isuzu engines are equipped with independent hydraulic oil cooling. Slashes energy use by 15% versus rivals, 10 stronger digging force. 20% lower fuel burn, 30% less noise. This is green revolution in action. Efficiency unleashed. Kawasaki pumps valves drive 34.3 megapascals hydraulics with positive flow control, while others stall. Me800 recovers 25% faster with 40% smoother compound movements. A 7 meters boom strikes like a giant's arm. 2.9 marm stabs like steel spear. Standard 386.5 cubic meters buckets. 385 OM rock buckets shatter veins. 5 to 6 5M heavy-duty buckets swallow ore. Add rippers, breakers, or rock arms for total stripping, loading, crushing dominance. Me800 interprets durability with military industrial standards. 80,000 hours fee-validated structure. Dust-shielded engines. Polymer clamp lines dampen vibrations. IP68 connectors defy monsoons. Cast aluminum controllers thrive at 50. Now, behold the pinnacle of Chinese engineering. Me800 born to conquer global mines.